if you want to get rid of unwanted belly fat that bothers you, that lowers your self-esteem, affects your relationship, career, lifestyle, and more than that, it can affect your internal organs, function of your heart, liver, and other organs, your immune system, and so on. So if you're doing it for health reason, or you want to increase your lifespan, then stay with me to find out information about magic ingredient that you already most probably have in your spice cabinet that can actually do for you. Well, I'm talking about cinnamon. These recipes, there are 3 recipes that I'll be actually posting under this video that you can use. Well, I recorded those recipes from an old anthropologist slash ethnobotanist slash physician in India many years ago, who found through research that continuously people used cinnamon as an aid for unwanted weight reduction. What is belly fat? Belly fat is storage of energy that our body puts away for a rainy day. So when food is scarce to find, our body would burn it, and we would be able to function. But since we are surrounded by food and we live in this beautiful time when we don't have to hunt for our food, we can stop our car and get that a hamburger or chips or food that we really like, or if you're health conscious, you can buy things that suit your taste and your lifestyle, then the belly fat doesn't stop growing, and it will continue growing not only under your skin, but also would go inside of your body and nest itself on your internal organs. That's why it's so important to get rid of it. So cinnamon, I'm not going to bore you with all these metabolic properties of cinnamon or chemical analysis, or you don't need to know that, and I don't want to go into it. I'll simply say that follow the recipes and replace one of your meals, say lunch or your dinner, with one of these drinks. They are delicious. They taste good, I promise. One of them is my favorite, which is I call skinny chocolate. And well, you can enjoy your life. You can treat with that other people, and you can share with your loved ones who I'm sure will be happy to support you in your good deed. So anyway, tune in next time if you have problem with your LDL, which is bad cholesterol, because I'll be sharing another amazing ingredient that you probably already heard about, and it's probably sitting in your cabinet and doing nothing. So tune in and enjoy life. In the meantime, to health, long life, and pleasures.